Welcome to a demo video of the Fostering Time Tracking app. In this video, we're going to be talking about time tracking and how you can use it in your organization. So whether you do billable hours or you're just trying to figure out how much time your employees spend on certain things in Salesforce, you can use Fostering's Time Tracking app. When installed, there's a custom app put in called Time Tracking, and it'll include these tabs. There's a How-To and Setup tab that includes documentation and videos, exactly what you need to do. And if you have any admin experience or have any sort of knowledge of Salesforce, it should take you no more than 15 minutes. And if you have a lot of users that you need to onboard as far as rate cards and users, connecting those rate cards together might take as much as an hour. But there's videos for your easy reference here. On this page you'll see settings where you can round time up. So let's say you have billable time to a minimum of half hour or hour. You can set that there. You can set your default object, and we do have instructions as well below. Next in time tracking, you're able to put time tracking on any native or custom object. So on here you'll see we're on a case record. You can see our component to the right side, which can log time towards that case. Let's jump over to an opportunity. Same thing here. You can log it to that account and or opportunity. And within this component, you can resume. You can pause. You can even stop. And when you stop your time tracking on that certain object or thing, you choose your rate card. It'll automatically default to whatever your default rate card is. Type in a summary, and off you go. So this component can be added to, again, any page layout, or maybe you want to use it within the lightning component on the utility bar is available as well. Or maybe even you want to use it on the mobile app. Time tracking works great on Salesforce's mobile app as well. You can easily, again, choose your account, your secondary object, whether it be a case, opportunity. Let's say you don't want to use time tracking on a per object basis or as you use your time, but rather you just want to batch in your time. We can do that as well. Time tracking batch entry. Time tracking batch entry allows you to enter time in a batch method quickly and easily, fill in whatever rate card you like and how many hours. From this, you can either clone or even duplicate records and easily save them back to Salesforce. Pre-populated in the Salesforce time tracking app is a dashboard that you're easily able to see billable time, either by date, by account, or any sort of internal costing by using standard dashboards and reports. But let's say you want to take it to the next level and be able to bill out hourly rates against maybe a block of time or prepaid balance with your clients. You can do so very easily using native roll-up summary fields within Salesforce. This is an example of how Fostering uses it. We have a roll-up summary of how much time has been tracked for that client, what the cost is into that client, and then we also link projects and or opportunities in Salesforce, and we can roll up that data as well to be able to give a balance in updates. If you want to keep your clients in the know-how, we give you recommendations on how you can send out automated reports to your clients to see the work that they've done. This is how Fostering does it. Every Monday morning, we send out an hours worked report to each client. It's automated, so we don't need to do anything. We simply set up the report in Salesforce, and then a client gets an email like this with an attachment. And this PDF can be customized to your brand, which shows all the rates that we billed, what we did, and the net amount. It'll even show a balance of how much that client has left. The beauty of Salesforce time tracking is that it is 100% native to Salesforce. None of this data is kept in any external systems. It's all tracked right in Salesforce. So every time you start and stop a time tracking record, it creates what's called a time tracking summary that will link all your information right back to the data natively in Salesforce, creating a time tracking summary and then individual time trackings for those starts and stops. We know that you will help save time and money and streamline your billable process by using Fostering's time tracking for Salesforce. Please let us know if you'd like to schedule a personalized demo, and we would love to show and help you get the most out of time tracking in your Salesforce.